Welcome back to another detailing video. I'm Tony from Tony's Professional Touch, and today we're going to be doing a mini detail with the ceramic coating booster on this Jeep Gladiator.
How long should the job take you?
I'm hoping for like around 2 to 3 hours.
2 to 3 hours? It's a big car, man. You think it's going to go smooth?
I hope so.
All right, Tony. We're jumping right into it, man. How you doing today?
Pretty good.
All right, man. So it's 7. Whoop. What we got in the works?
Jeep Gladiator. It's in for a mini detail, and we're gonna boost the ceramic coating.
What does that mean?
So it has a ceramic coating on here that we apply like a bunch of, like, I don't remember, probably the beginning of this year. And it's just to make the hydrophobic properties even better. And if the coating got any type of damage, it just kind of like rehydrates it.
Okay.
So that's pretty much it. It just keeps the properties in check, make sure it's at 100% peak level.
How long should this process take?
I'm hoping for no longer than 2.5 hours.
Good. What time is the next appointment?
9:30, but it's not like it's he's like working and stuff, so it's not like we have time to wiggle.
Oh, so we're in a rush today?
Yeah, we're not really in a rush.
All right, man, do your thing. Hey, Tony, so you've done this car about 3 times, but it seems like a beast.
Yeah, it's big.
It's big, man.
Yeah.
Any headaches working with cars like this?
Yeah, it just takes a little bit longer than usual.
Yeah.
And then if it was sunny right now, it'd be a little bit harder just because it's a black paint and it's a lot more area to cover. So yeah, just those things, and it's being so tall.
No, okay. So it's kind of a good thing that it's kind of foggy right now.
Yeah, sort of a bit.
Yeah.
A little easier to work. It's at the same time, it's a bad thing though, because it's gonna take a little bit longer to dry it.
Oh.
So
hey,
there's
what it is,
pros
right?
and cons, yeah.
Tony, am I tripping, or is it like raining or sprinkling, or just a fog?
It feels a little weird. It's like kind of sprinkling.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Now, how would this affect the coating? Would you, if it started raining, would you postpone it or still do it?
The booster?
Yeah.
I can still do it.
Yeah?
It works as a drying aid and as a standalone like protection. So it's just the booster, it's not the actual coating.
Oh, okay.
It just has like silica. It's a silica-based like product.
All right, so we'll still be able to make it happen.
Yeah, we can still make it happen. Not an issue.
Hey, Tony.
What's up?
So you were telling me it's gonna rain next week.
Yeah.
Thursday and Friday. But you have appointments.
Yep.
What do you do?
Well, I'll ask the customer. I'll either call them or text them, mostly text, and then ask them if they want to reschedule. I'll let them know. I'll show them, like, I'll take a screenshot of like the weather app, and then I'll let them know, hey, it's supposed to rain this day. Do you still want your car done? And then it'll just be up to them.
Yeah, what do you think happened? Do you think people either reschedule, they still want it, or they cancel?
It really depends on the client. Sometimes they really want it done, like if it's been a while since their car got cleaned, or they just care about the inside or something. It'll just really depend on them. Some of them, they'll cancel or reschedule, and some of them will just still have it done. So inside is just a basic wipe down, brush the crevices, wipe down everything, remove as much dust as possible.
So not like a full interior detail?
Nah, just, it's pretty simple, nothing crazy.
Hey Tony, how's the job was going, man?
How's what?
How's the job going?
Pretty good. I feel like I'm a little behind, but it's all right.
Yeah.
So a little bit more to do.
Let me see what time it is.
Like
8:13, man. We gotta be out of here at what? 9:30?
Like 9:15.
9:15. So you have an hour left.
Yeah, basically.
Are you gonna finish, Tony?
Probably gonna be running a little bit late, but not a big issue.
When you're running late, what do? You let the customer know?
Yeah, I'll just text them and be like, hey, I'm gonna run a bit late, and then they usually say it's fine for the most part.
Have you ever had a customer be like, you're gonna be late? Nah, I don't want your service no more.
No, but I've had a few that got like upset because they had somewhere to be.
And what do you do in that situation? Do you still, I mean, when they gotta leave and you're late, you either gotta rush it or postpone it, right?
Yeah, or reschedule. It just depends.
Really?
Most of the time we reschedule it depending on how much like time they need to leave in. So it really depends. Or we'll tell them like, oh, if we can at least knock out the inside if you like, or the outside, whichever you like care about more.
So what I'm hearing is you try to make it work.
Yeah.
Got it. All right, Tony. What's next on the job?
Just wiping off all the water from the floor mats so I can put them in, and then I'll probably blow dry the rest of the paint on the outside, or towel dry and then blow dry. Try to get all the water out of the crevices, blow dry all the wheels really good, get all the water out of the wheels, wipe down the wheels, and then probably start doing the ceramic boost.
Bro, you've been hyping up the ceramic boost, man. We're all waiting. What is it? Like, is it like a little bottle? Like,
yeah, I'll show you right now. I'll just pull it out.
Right.
So it's 16-ounce bottle.
Oh, it's something you spray on.
Yeah, it's pretty easy to use. Just mist it, get a new towel, wipe it in, buff it off.
Kind of like bead maker, spray wax, same process.
Pretty much.
Right.
Yeah, it just lasts longer.
Hey Tony, so once again, man, what does this boost do?
It basically just like rehydrates the coating and brings it back to peak level. So the performance can be back to good to how it was. Because right now it's pretty bad, but now it should be how it should be beating, which is like really nice hydrophobic properties. And then it gives it a nice slick finish and gloss. Alright guys, well there you have it. That's how I do my mini details with ceramic boost. If you guys want to know what products I use, make sure you guys check down the description below. Links are on there. Alright guys, and make sure to follow us on Instagram at Tony's Professional Touch. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.